Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a writing a triangle pattern and a column wise pattern. So we used nested for loop to create this pattern. Nested for loop is a loop in which outside for loop inside another for loop, that is called nested for loop. So we create two variables that are used for nested for loop. So we create character type variable I and j, and I variable is used for outer for loop, and j variable is used for inner for loop. And we take three parameters in outer for loop. Firstly, we initialize I variable equals to capital A and check condition if I less than equals to capital E, and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and we take three parameter as well as in inner for loop. And we initialized j variable equals to capital A, and check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print j variable of inner for loop, because this is a column wise pattern. Column wise pattern means in each columns alphabets are repeated constantly. Like in first row capital A is repeated, in second row capital B is repeated, in third row capital C is repeated, and similarly capital D and capital E is repeated column wise. So inside this inner for loop we print j variable and equals and outside this inner for loop we used backslash and for cursor to the next line when printing each alphabets in each row, and after completing each row cursor will move to the next line. When you compile this program there is no error in the program, and when you run this program the above output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, and this is the easiest way to understand this pattern. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubt related to this pattern you can ask me or text me anytime in the comment section. And I hope you all really enjoy this pattern. Please stay with me.
I know one.